Okay, so let's have this problem. So finding the inverse, the domain, and the range of a rational function. Then from this given, to find the domain, since in the given, there is no variable in the denominator, so therefore the domain are all real numbers, or from negative infinity to positive infinity, or x, element of real numbers. Then to find the inverse, so first we need to replace this f of x with y, then equals 2x plus 5 over 6. Then interchange this y and x, so this y becomes x, and this x becomes y, then plus 5 over 6. And to solve for y, so cross multiplication. So 1 times 2y plus 5. So that's 2y plus 5, then equals x times 6. That's 6x. And to solve for y, so 2y equals, transpose this positive 5. So that's 6x minus 5. And to solve for y, divide both sides by 2. So therefore y is equal to 6x minus 5 over 2. Then we need to replace this y with the inverse of f of x, then equals 6x minus 5 over 2. So this is now the inverse of the given rational function. And to find the range, so since in the inverse, there is no variable in the denominator, so therefore the range are all real numbers, or negative infinity to positive infinity, or y, element of real numbers, because range is for y and the domain for x. Then for this given, so to find the domain, since we have this 3x in the denominator, so just equate this to 0, then to solve for x, divide by 3, so therefore x is equal to 0. Now take note that if x is 0, this denominator becomes 0, and if the denominator is equal to 0, then that equation becomes undefined. So therefore, the domain from negative infinity to 0, union 0 to positive infinity. So therefore, 0 is not part of the domain. Or we can have x such that x, element of real number, where x is not equal to 0. Then to find the range, so change this f of x to y, then equals x minus 2 over 3x. Then interchange x and y, so this y becomes x, and this x becomes y minus 2 over 3y. Then to solve for y, so do cross multiplication. So x times 3y, that's 3xy, then equals 1 times y minus 2, that's y minus 2. Then to solve for y, so this becomes 3xy. Then we need to transpose this y. So all y must be in one place. So this becomes negative y, then equals negative 2. Then we need to put this y outside. So this becomes 3x because cancel this y. Then minus cancel this y. But we have one numerical coefficient. So 3x minus 1 then equals negative 2. And to solve for y, so divide both sides by 3x minus 1. Divide by 3x minus 1. So cancel. So therefore y is equal to negative 2 over 3x minus 1. Then we need to replace this y with the inverse of f of x equals negative 2 over 3x minus 1. So this is now the inverse of the given rational function. Then to find the range of this function, so first we need to equate this denominator to 0. So we have 3x minus 1 equals 0, and to solve for x, so transpose that negative 1. So that becomes positive 1, then divide both sides by 3. So therefore x is equal to positive 1 over 3. So if x is equal to 1 over 3, this whole equation becomes undefined because this denominator becomes 0. So therefore the range from negative infinity to positive 1 over 3, then union positive 1 over 3 to positive infinity. Or, since this one is a range, so just change this x to y such that y element of real numbers and y not equal to positive 1 over 3. Then for this given, so to find the domain, so first we need to equate this denominator to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0 and x is equal to 2. So therefore if x is equal to 2, this equation becomes undefined. So therefore the domain from negative infinity to positive 2, union positive 2 to positive infinity, or x such that x element of real numbers and x is not equal to positive 2. Then to solve for the inverse, so change this f of x to y, then equals 4x plus 3 over x minus 2. Then interchange this y and x, so this y becomes x and this x becomes y over y minus 2. Then to solve for y, so cross multiply, so we have x times y minus 2 equals 4y plus 3. Then simplify, so distribute this x, that's x times y, then negative 2x equals 4y plus 3. Then we need to group all y's, so transpose this positive 4y, so we have now x, y, minus 4y equals, transpose this negative 2x, that becomes positive 2x, then plus 3. Then we need to factor out this y, so cancel, so we have now x, minus cancel this y, 4 then equals 2x plus 3. Then divide both sides by x minus 4. So cancel. So therefore, y is equal to 2x plus 3 over x minus 4. Then we need to replace this y by the inverse of f of x, then equals 2x plus 3 over x minus 4. So this is now the inverse of the given rational function. Then from this inverse, to find the range, so first we need to equate this denominator to 0 and to solve for x transpose that's equal to 4. So if x is equal to 4, so this equation becomes undefined. So therefore the range from negative infinity to positive 4, union positive 4 to positive infinity. Or since this one is a range, so we need to change this x to y. So y such that y element of real numbers and y is not equal to positive 4. Then for this given, so to find the domain, so again equate this denominator to 0. So 3x plus 2 equals 0. Transpose this positive 2. So 3x equals negative 2. Then divide both sides by 3. So therefore x is equal to negative 2 over 3. So for the domain, that's negative infinity to negative 2 over 3, then union negative 2 over 3 to positive infinity. Or x such that x element of real number and x is not equal to negative 2 over 3. Then to find the range, so this f of x becomes y, then equals 5x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Then interchange x and y, so y becomes x and x becomes y over 3y plus 2. Then cross multiply to solve for y. So that becomes x times 3y plus 2 then equals 5y minus 1. Then simplify, so distribute. So 3xy plus 2x then equals 5y minus 1. Then transpose this positive 5y. So 3xy minus 5y then equals, transpose this positive 2x. So we have negative 2x minus 1. Then put this y outside. So we have y times 3x. So cancel this y. Then minus. Cancel this y. So 5. Then equals negative 2x minus 1. Then divide both sides by 3x minus 5. Divide by 3x minus 5. So therefore y is equal to negative 2x minus 5 over 3x minus 5. Then change this y to inverse of f of x. So equals negative 2x minus 1 then over 3x minus 5. So this is now the inverse of the given rational function. Then from the inverse, to find the range, so first equate this denominator to 0. So 3x minus 5 equals 0. Then we have 3x equals positive 5. Divide by 3. So x is equal to positive 5 over 3. So therefore the range from negative infinity to positive 5 over 3, then union positive 5 over 3 to positive infinity. Or for the range, so change this x to y. So y such that y element of real numbers and y is not equal to positive 5 over 3.